Hey, at the very beginning, when I started investing, I struggled to figure out how to get started. I kept getting lost in complicated information that felt out of reach for my budget. Everyone talked about getting rich through investments, but no one showed me the right path. That's why I'm introducing you to a tool that makes everything simpler. A solution designed for those just starting their investment journey, offering ease, security, and excellent returns. Get ready to discover something that could completely transform how you see the investment market. It's simpler than you think. I'll introduce you to a practical and accessible tool that 99% of people don't know about yet, but it has the potential to turn you into a millionaire with ease. You're going to be amazed. Before we dive into the good stuff, smash that like button. It helps more people find this content and keeps us creating amazing videos for you. Topic 1. Why does Robinhood stand out? Imagine you're about to join a game, but the rules and barriers make it nearly impossible to play. That was the financial market before Robinhood. The platform launched in 2013 with a simple goal: eliminate fees and make investing accessible for everyone. If you don't have much money, it's not a problem. With Robinhood, investing is easy. You can start with whatever you have in your pocket. The platform removed brokerage fees and the need for minimum account balances. It was like opening the door to millions of people who thought the financial market was only for the wealthy. Even today, many still believe investing is just for the rich because they don't know about this incredible tool. Before Robinhood, you needed at least $1,000 to start investing. Today, with just $10, you can buy your first stock. Did you know that? The next topic will surprise you. Topic 2, additional benefits. Beyond being accessible, Robinhood protects your money in ways few platforms do. Any cash sitting in your account is insured for up to $50,000 through FDIC insurance. And there's more. With Robinhood Gold, which costs just $5 per month, you can earn up to 5% annual interest on uninvested cash. That's right. While your money rests, it keeps growing. Amazing, right? If you have $2,000 in your gold account, you can earn up to $100 per year in interest alone. I call that effortless extra income. Wouldn't you agree? If the idea of earning from idle cash excites you, the next topic will bring something even better to help you grow your money. Topic 3, new and innovative tools. Robinhood keeps reinventing itself. Now, it offers retirement accounts like IRAs, including Roth IRAs, helping you plan for the future while saving on taxes. It also includes advanced analysis tools, enabling you to understand the market better and make strategic decisions. In the past, opening a retirement account or using analytical tools was expensive and reserved for professionals. Now, anyone can access these resources without complications. For example, if you start a Roth IRA with just $100 a month at age 25, you could accumulate over $300,000 by age 60 thanks to the power of compound interest. Planning for the future has never been so simple. And whether you're young or older, Robinhood makes it easy for any investor to learn and grow. Ready for the next step? Check out the following topic. Topic 4, education and support. Does investing feel like a foreign language to you? Robinhood understands that. That's why it offers simple tutorials and short videos explaining the basics, like calls and puts, as well as strategies for trading options. It's like having a financial mentor available anytime, directly on your phone. Don't know what an option is? Robinhood will teach you that a call is when you bet a stock's price will go up. With just this simple lesson, you're already prepared to explore new possibilities. Imagine learning and investing at the same time. Robinhood offers you this opportunity, a significant advantage. But that's not all. Let's move to topic 5. Topic 5, simplified portfolio management. With Robinhood, you can monitor everything in one place. It shows how your money is allocated across stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Plus, any dividends you earn are automatically reinvested. Have you thought about that? While you focus on other things, the platform reinvests your dividends for you. Let me explain. If you own shares of Coca-Cola and receive quarterly dividends, Robinhood reinvests that money automatically without you having to lift a finger. It's like a snowball that keeps growing on its own. It's that simple. But hold on, there are even more ways to maximize your investments. The next topic will introduce you to a powerful strategy. Hey, I'm curious, if you had $1,000, would you leave it sitting in the bank or risk it all in the market? I really want to know your opinion. Drop it in the comments and I'll read and reply. If you're excited to learn this and much more, don't waste time. Subscribe to the channel and trust me, here you'll learn a lot without needing to take a course. Topic 6. Options trading. If you've heard that options are risky, you're absolutely right, but they can also be highly profitable when used correctly. Robinhood provides essential tools to minimize risks, such as the stop loss, a key feature for investors looking to protect their capital. The stop loss works as an automatic order to sell an asset when it reaches a predetermined price, helping to limit your losses in case of an unexpected drop. This way, you can manage risks efficiently and avoid losing more than you're willing to. In addition, the platform offers Stop Limit, an advanced version of this tool, allowing you to set a minimum sale price, giving you more control over execution prices. Beyond these features, Robinhood provides tutorials and educational resources to teach advanced strategies like spreads and calls, which can significantly boost your profits. For instance, a spread involves buying and selling options with different strike prices simultaneously, helping protect your investment while increasing your chances of profit. A call, on the other hand, gives the investor the right, but not the obligation, to buy an asset at a fixed price until a specific date, offering a way to profit from market uptrends. With just $50 in options, you could potentially earn $500 if you've studied and made smart decisions. Robinhood helps you understand both the risks and opportunities. Now you might ask, but what if I want to withdraw my profits quickly? I'll teach you everything without complications. Topic 7. Easy and fast withdrawals. One of the biggest concerns for new investors is, how will I access my money when I need it? After all, you don't want to feel like your profits are stuck. With Robinhood, this problem doesn't exist. The platform simplifies the process of accessing your earnings by offering a debit card directly linked to your investment account. This means that as soon as you make a profit, or even withdraw available funds from your account, it can be transferred to your card almost instantly. Imagine not having to wait for business days or deal with slow bank transfers. Amazing, right? Picture this. You earn profits from Tesla stocks and want to withdraw some of the money to seize an opportunity. With Robinhood, it's as simple as using your card for a purchase. But wait, there's another great advantage I'll share in Topic 8. Topic 8. Research and investment discovery. When it comes to investing, the key to success lies in making informed decisions. Knowing where to invest, what to buy, when to sell, and how to diversify your portfolio makes all the difference. Robinhood understands this and provides practical, detailed tools to help you uncover the best market opportunities. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out. Robinhood simplifies the research process by organizing all relevant information in one place. From financial data to market insights, you'll have access to resources that were once available only to experienced or professional investors. And there's more. Another standout feature of Robinhood is its ability to compare companies within the same sector. For example, if you're interested in tech stocks, you can see how Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla are performing side by side. If you're torn between investing in Apple or Tesla, Robinhood allows you to see which one has gained the most value in recent months and which has more investors betting on future growth. You urgently need to check out what's in next topic. Topic 9. Platform limitations. Even though it's amazing, Robinhood isn't perfect. It doesn't support bond or futures trading, which some other brokers offer. Additionally, customer support still needs improvement, especially in emergency situations. In my opinion, despite these limitations, Robinhood remains one of the most inclusive platforms for new investors. It may not have everything, but what it does offer is a giant leap forward for beginners. Robinhood has arrived to break down barriers and democratize access to the financial market. It provides intuitive tools, eliminates fees, and allows anyone, regardless of budget, to start investing. Whether exploring stocks, options, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, Robinhood simplifies every step so you feel confident managing your investments. And to help you learn even more, watch this video where I've prepared valuable information to help you earn even more money